Hello and welcome to this PRISMA tutorial. My name is Frederick from PRISMA Customer Care, and today I will be explaining the credit limit functionality. First of all, what are credit limits? Credit limits allow the TSOs to efficiently manage their customers' allowance according to their financial credibility. They base it on multiple factors, one example being the confirmed credibility of the shipper's bank. Credit limits are set individually for each shipper and can have different restrictions, for example, being only applicable for short-term auctions or only for a specific runtime. But how do credit limits work on the platform? You're in the process of bidding for a desired capacity. For example, this capacity here at a network point I marked as one of my favorites. I enter my desired capacity, confirm the TSO's GT&Cs, press bid, check my entered data again, and confirm it by pressing place bid. If this error message is displayed, it might be worth checking your credit limit. But how do you find out as a shipper what your credit limit status is, how much you have used, and so on? First of all, you go back to your dashboard. From here you navigate to your account settings, where you will find the submenu Assignments of Operators. Here you can see all the TSOs you have active or pending assignments with. If you expand the involved TSO's details, you can see further information including your credit limit. It shows how high your credit limit is in total, how much of it you might have used in earlier auctions, for which runtime the credit limit applies, for which auction types, and how the credit limit framework is labeled by the TSO. This is the relevant information when contacting the TSO regarding an issue. Please be aware that if you have any questions about your specific credit limits, only the respective TSO can help you. I hope I could provide you with the information you needed, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the PRISMA Customer Care team. My name is Frederick, and I wish you a pleasant day.